Hello and welcome again. It's Juliet here. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for tuning in. Please sit back and enjoy this video with me. Thank you very much for coming back. So these are the ingredients we need for these bell peppers coconut sauce or coconut bell pepper sauce. The three colors of bell peppers: yellow, red and green. And then I have here a combination of green and red chili pepper just for some spiciness, some hotness. And here I have my diced onion, and here I have my coconut milk. This coconut milk I added 2 teaspoons of cornstarch just to act as a thickener, and then I have green peas for garnishing. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing is sauteing my peppers first, because I do not want to cook the pepper. I want to stir fry them so they can be a little crunchy and tasty, not just cooked. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but if you follow me through this video, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm just sauteing the onion and the red and green chili pepper. Sorry about the mess you can see on my gas stove, guys. I'm parboiling rice because I'll be having this sauce with white rice. So yeah, that's it. And now I'm just going to be adding the pepper, the colored peppers. This is just so colorful, guys. Remember to wash your hands properly before you start cutting your vegetables or pepper or start cooking or whatever you do. And also wash your hands in between to keep the germs away. So as you can see, I just seasoned this a little. Added curry, ginger powder, thyme and some salt. So this is just to season the pepper, and then I'll give it a good stir fry for about 5 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll set it aside, take it off the pan, and then I'll start sauteing my chicken pieces. So now it's time to prepare our chicken, and I love to season my oil and onion so that even if you don't have any pieces of it, even if it's the oil of the sauce that you use in eating your rice, it will be tasty. So I just season it like that, and then I give it just give it a quick stir. And then I'll throw in my chicken pieces, my marinated chicken pieces. Because I'm making this today, I just marinated this for about 20 minutes. Yeah. So you just fry the chicken till it's a little bit golden brown. As you can see, our chicken pieces are golden brown now. This took a little while, a few minutes. And now I'm just going to add in our coconut milk mixture. Give it a good stir. Allow it to cook. I'll cover this and allow it to cook till it thickens. But before then, I'm going to be adding the green peas so it will cook together. This has thickened a bit, as you can see. It has thickened a bit. And now I'm just going to be adding the stir-fried bell peppers so everything can cook thoroughly. The coconut flavor can get combined and sweetened with the pepper. This is going to get thicker as it cools down, so you need to be very careful with the consistency. With the way you're adding water, that's what I meant to say. So I'm just going to let this boil down and thicken a little bit more because I like it when it's thick. And now is the time to taste for salt and it tastes so good, guys. And this is like a Christmas recipe, pairing this with boiled rice. Christmassy. It's a season to be jolly. I have Christmas colors in here, red and green, so we're good to go for Christmas. This could serve as a quick fix for you and your family members. So here is it, guys. As you can see, our food is ready, and I'm just going to give it a quick taste right now. So we'll know how it tastes. Although I tasted the sauce before and it was indeed yummy. Please ignore the sound or the voices you hear in my background. My children are at home. Yeah, so guys, this is delicious. No jokes. It's very, very sweet. It's sweet. Makes sense, better sense. This will make better brain. I be worried because I see small pigeons say for my video. This will make brain. It enter everything, enter the coconut, enter. Guys, try this. Try this and you will testify. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you enjoy, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll be back with a yummy video next time. Thank you so much, guys, and have a lovely day, and Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.